all tied up, one to one. Then he was dropped in the pocket. Not a sound. Not a warning, just dust when it cleared.
We thought we had it in the bag. We took the bait and logged the goblin gang, but by the time we landed, he was already in the pocket.
He wasn't fast, he wasn't loud, just that damn smirk. So calm, so evil. Like he knew nothing could stop him.
Everyone thought the game was over. We needed a miracle. And then I heard the sound. She was coming.
Chaos versus destruction. Fear versus hope. This wasn't a match anymore, it was a reckoning.
They said he was unstoppable, but she didn't flinch. One was built to break towers, the other kid to break him.